Apple has released the fourth beta of iOS 17 to developers. There are new code snippets contained within the beta that hint at functionality for the rumored action button on the upcoming iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max's action button will reportedly replace the ring, silent switch and allow users to quickly access various functions and settings without unlocking the device or navigating to an app. There will likely be 9 options for features that users can customize and assign to different actions. These are listed in the article. This article from Esther Crawford talks about her time working at Twitter. Crawford sold her startup to Twitter in 2020. She describes the experience as both amazing and terrible. The company often felt siloed and bureaucratic, and engineers had to act as politicians instead of just building. The article covers topics such as what it is like to work, interact with Elon Musk, and the dangers of living in an echo chamber. Intel's CEO was very bullish on AI during the company's Q2 2023 earnings call. The company plans to ship its first consumer chip with a built-in neural processor for machine learning tasks later this year. It plans to eventually integrate AI into everything it sells. Integrating AI into consumer chips will allow AI processing to happen at the edge rather than on the cloud, improving latency, bandwidth, and costs. The cost of lithium has increased tenfold since 2020. Scientists from Arizona State University have proposed diluting lithium with sodium as a solution to cutting the cost of batteries. The team found that a lithium solution with up to 20% sodium mixed could remain stable. However, the resulting structure did not possess the properties necessary to create a viable battery. This post covers 3 distinctive perspectives on scale that come along with building and operating a storage system the size of S3. OverflowAI is Stack Overflow's new plan to integrate generative AI into its platform. It includes adding new search capabilities, the ability to curate and build a knowledge base in minutes, Slack integration, a Visual Studio Code extension, and a dedicated location for AI resources and responses from experts. Developers interested in helping Stack Overflow test its new AI-powered features can register to help on the Stack Overflow Labs page. Stack Overflow aims to keep its developer community at the center and ensure that the people who contribute their knowledge are recognized for their efforts. BlazingMQ is a distributed message queuing platform. It provides a set of message routing strategies and supports a unique multi-hop network topology that leads to a distribution tree for each queue, creating network bandwidth savings for certain use cases. Using BlazingMQ can lead to significant savings in network and latency for high fan-out workflows. Every prefecture in Japan posted a population drop in 2022. Japan's total population dropped by more than 800,000 last year. Other countries are likely set to follow Japan's lead. Japan's prime minister has called the trend a crisis, but national policies have so far failed to put a dent in population decline. This Twitter post describes how Cloudflare stores its data on 15 to 20 PostgreSQL clusters. Stack Overflow's CEO Prashanth Chandrasekhar recently conducted an interview where they discussed generative AI technology and Stack Overflow's strategy around dealing with it. This article analyzes Chandrasekhar responses in the interview. It presents the unedited transcript along with the analysis to allow the reader to interpret the original context. The analysis suggests that Chandrasekhar hasn't listened to the Stack Overflow community and that their understanding of the site, its community, and culture is very surface level. Apple's new policy requiring developers to justify their use of certain APIs aims to crack down on fingerprinting. PeerDB is a data movement platform that makes moving data in and out of Postgres fast and simple. Many people have asked Twitter to preserve a light mode option even if X switches to dark mode as a default. There are net takers and net givers. Most of the richest are net givers.